Okay, so I got everything done, and that's how um that's how the computer looks with the four LED 300 millimeters fan. Let me take a closer look. There's the one in the bottom, and so you guys can see like that. That's the one I just installed. I just put on the case, and that's the one that came with the case. And this is the other one I just got installed. That's how it looks inside. So with that one, I don't think I'm gonna use any kind of light or anything like that because it's kind of foggy because the whatever I'm here bathroom in the bedroom is kind of foggy to see the video and the way down. I want to show the video, but just an idea how it looks.